Hey guys, and welcome back. And I've just put the food in for the pond fish, and we're going to do something very interesting today. We're going to put you in a Ziploc bag, not you literally, I mean the camera, and we're going to place the bag into the pond water and see what the fish see in the pond. So let's do it.
Bag.
Can I watch from the front? No water can get in. Hey guys, I just want to tell you what I use to feed my fish. So I use Tetra Pond mini pellets for the smaller fish and Aqua Nutrition premium pellets for the larger fish. And occasionally I use pond sticks. There you go. Bye bye. Like, subscribe. Look at that.